Hi, how are you doing? This is 1987 Porsche 944 Turbo. This thing is just an outstanding car. I bought it from the Hagerty auction, the red collection. It was part of an all red Porsche collection here in, I think, the Jacksonville, Florida area. Basically, this thing is just absolutely pristine. 61,000 miles, but all original paint. Just the presentation of the car is just outstanding. Factory Secret glass all the way around. We've got the Dunlop tires mounted on a freshly refinished set of the Porsche 7 and 8-inch teledials in alloy. We have just a really neat sort of package with this thing and the pristine originality of it. Take a look inside. Just so cool. It's got the Blaupunkt Brennan radio, which has been equipped with a Bluetooth to get to your iPhone or any other smartphone. It's got the Porsche script floor mats, no dash cracks, just outstanding. Come on back here. We'll open the other side up. It's got a Porsche factory car cover that comes along with it. And look at that interior. Look at those seats. Door jambs super clean. Open up the rack hatch here. Rear power release works, no problems. So we have the roof bag. Very rare to see that in these cars. Has a C-Tech charger system for the battery. Behind here we have the spare tire and all the other accoutrements. Jack, you know, tool kits down there, air pumps down there. Just cool. Come on around this way, you'll see it's got the factory build sticker right here with all the option codes. It's rare and rare to find these cars in such pristine original condition, especially, you know, no mods, just the way it was built in 1987. Okay, let's take a look under the hood. I love the body lines of this car. Everything lines up perfectly. No damage. Under the hood here, 944 Turbo, 1987 spec. Has the, I put a new coolant reservoir on it and brake fluid reservoir. Have that white, bright appearance for those. You have the factory tag right there in black. Really good condition, all the emissions routing. Such decal, just great shape. VIN plate right here, back from the factory. I mean, you don't get it much better than this, everyone. Got a brand new interstate battery in this car, and under hood insulation is all in good order and looking good as well. Some of the options this car has, it's got the power sunroof, mirror left and right switch for the power mirrors, rear wiper activator, power door locks. We have power windows and power mirror switch over here. And just doesn't get better than this. Cassette tray is all in order here. 944 Turbo, 1987, doesn't get better than this one.